Once we have a server with Ubuntu 18.04, first thing what we need to do is to validate whether we have Python on it or not. Typically with Ubuntu VM with 18.04, especially on any of the cloud platforms, you will have Python 3 installed. You can run Python 3 and launch Python CLI. Let's validate that first. So in this case, I am using web console of GCP because my machine is provisioned from GCP. If you are using a machine from AWS or Azure, you just have to log in into the virtual machine and you can take it further. These steps even can be followed as part of your bare metal servers on which you have set up Ubuntu 18.04. Now you can say Python and hit tab. You can see that Python 3 is the one which is installed on this. It is based on Python 3.6. So this Python 3 is nothing but a soft link to this Python 3.6. Once you type Python 3 and hit enter, it will take you to the Python CLI. You can see here, you can also say print hello world, which means we are able to launch Python 3 and run Python code in this. Now we can exit. This is how you can exit from Python, exit and then circular brackets. Once you come out of this, you can validate whether we have other important libraries such as pip venv along with Python 3. For that, you can just say Python 3 -m pip install and we can install the libraries which we are interested in. Let's take the example of pandas and hit enter. You can see that it is saying no module named pip, which means only core Python 3 is installed on this. Even the important libraries such as pip are not available. To install pip, you have to use sudo apt install Python 3 -pip. It will take care of installing pip for us. You can say hit enter to confirm. Y is default and hence it will take care of installing pip for us. Once it is installed, again we can run that command called as Python 3 -m pip install pandas to confirm whether pandas can be installed or not. In this case, I will not be installing pandas. I will install a small library called as config parser to ensure that pip is installed. Now the pip is installed, we can say Python 3 -m pip install config parser and hit enter. Now it have installed config parser and hence pip is also validated. This is how you should be able to set up pip using apt as you are using Ubuntu based operating system here. Now another important additional library which we have to install is nothing but venv. With respect to Python, there is a concept of virtual environments. We want to ensure that even that is set up. To confirm whether venv is set up or not, we can directly run by saying Python 3 -m venv and then you can actually give a project name, let's say testing, and hit enter. You can see that even this one is not working. It gave us a hint. We should be able to leverage this. To ensure that it doesn't prompt, you can just say -y like this and hit enter. However, it failed because there is no sudo. So we just have to add sudo at the beginning. So I can say sudo apt-get install Python 3 -venv -y like this. Now venv is also being installed. Once it is installed, we can run this command to ensure that venv is working as expected. You can see that it is working this time. You can see a directory being created here with the name testing. If you want to just remove this, you can just remove this folder by saying rm-rf testing. This is how you should be able to install additional Python related OS libraries to support our pursuit of learning Python as part of this course and also in other courses wherever it is relevant. That being said, as of now we have a virtual machine with a Docker as well as Python along with some additional libraries related to Python. Now let's understand how to set up Jupyter on this environment.